There's something deeply satisfying about the weight of real wood, the quiet sound it makes when you set something down, and the way it instantly warms a room. Many homes feel finished but still lack that grounded, lived-in character. In this video, we're exploring DIY wood sculpture decor ideas that are fully functional, beautifully built, and rich with rustic farmhouse charm. You'll see how solid wood can become both art and furniture here on Rustic and Rooted. The beauty of a carved wood coffee table begins with choosing thick reclaimed planks that already carry history in their grain. Start by flattening and squaring the boards, then laminate them into a substantial top that feels confident and solid. The legs are built as solid blocks, carved slowly to reveal softened edges while keeping enough mass to ground the piece. Careful mortise and tenon joinery ensures the table feels permanent, not decorative. As the form takes shape, the real satisfaction comes from refining details rather than rushing the build. Subtle curves carved into the legs catch light differently throughout the day, giving the table a sculptural presence even when left bare. When finished with natural oil, the surface invites touch and daily use, becoming the quiet centerpiece that anchors the entire living room. A chunk wood side table is all about proportion and restraint, letting the material speak without unnecessary ornament. Begin with a solid slab top, trim clean but left thick enough to feel intentional. The base is formed by laminating smaller logs or beams into a square mass, carefully clamped and aligned so the final silhouette looks architectural rather than rustic chaos. Once assembled, shaping the base becomes a meditative process of removing just enough material to soften corners while preserving weight. The table's compact size makes it perfect beside a sofa or reading chair, yet its presence feels substantial. Every time it's used, the solidity reinforces the quiet reward of building something meant to last. A sculpted log bench starts with selecting a single long timber that can handle both visual impact and real seating demands. The log is flattened on top for comfort, while the underside is carved to integrate pedestal-style legs directly from the same piece. This approach creates a unified form where structure and sculpture are inseparable. As carving progresses, the bench slowly reveals its personality, shaped by hand and guided by the grain. Sanding smooths contact points without erasing character, leaving tool marks where they add depth. Placed in an entryway or along a wall, the bench feels grounded and purposeful, inviting daily use without asking for attention. Building a rustic wood console table begins with a wide barnwood top that sets the tone for the entire piece. The boards are joined edge to edge with precision, ensuring a flat surface that still showcases age and texture. A-frame legs, cut from thick lumber, provide both visual strength and dependable support, reinforced by a lower stretcher. As the table comes together, balance becomes the guiding principle. The leg angle is adjusted carefully, so the console feels stable without looking bulky. When finished and placed against a wall, it naturally supports lamps, books, and decor, quietly proving that thoughtful construction elevates everyday furniture into something meaningful. A solid wood entry bench is designed to handle daily routines without compromise. Start by stacking reclaimed beams to form thick block legs, aligning grain direction to maximize strength. The seat plank is equally substantial, flattened and smoothed just enough to remain comfortable while preserving the wood's natural character. Assembly is where patience pays off, as tight joinery ensures the bench won't shift or loosen over time. Once complete, the bench feels reassuringly heavy, staying put as shoes are pulled on or bags are set down. Over time, it becomes part of the home's rhythm, shaped by use rather than decoration. An organic wood nightstand begins as a simple box form built from thick planks, carefully squared so drawers operate smoothly. The drawer front is subtly sculpted, introducing softness without sacrificing function. A solid wood base frame lifts the piece slightly, giving it visual breathing room while maintaining stability. As sanding and fitting come together, the nightstand transforms from raw boards into a quiet companion piece. Its surface holds essentials without clutter, and the drawer glides with satisfying weight. Each evening, the craftsmanship becomes part of a calm routine, reminding you that even small furniture can carry intention and care. Creating a root-style accent table starts with layering solid wood sections to form a sculptural base inspired by natural growth. The pieces are glued and clamped into a single mass, then carved to suggest movement while retaining structural integrity. A natural slab top is carefully flattened and fitted to balance the expressive base. As shaping continues, restraint keeps the table functional rather than ornamental. The finished piece feels alive yet stable, drawing the eye without dominating the room. Used as an accent table, it holds lamps or books effortlessly, rewarding the maker with a blend of art, utility, and organic presence. heavy timber dining bench is built for gatherings, starting with a straight, thick seat cut from solid lumber. Trapezoid legs provide a strong stance, resisting racking while adding visual interest. A center stretcher locks everything together, ensuring the bench can handle years of shared meals. As edges are eased and surfaces refined, the bench gains comfort without losing its robust identity. Positioned at a dining table, it encourages conversation and connection, seating multiple people with ease. The satisfaction lies in knowing the bench supports moments, not just weight. The wood sculpture media console begins with clean panel construction, using reclaimed planks milled to consistent thickness. Internal shelving is planned carefully to support electronics without clutter. Carved wooden feet lift the console subtly, adding a sculptural touch while keeping the silhouette grounded. As doors and panels align, precision becomes the quiet hero of the build. When placed in the living room, the console organizes cables and devices discreetly, letting the wood take visual priority. Each time it's used, the piece reinforces how thoughtful design can simplify everyday living. A monolithic wood stool starts by stacking solid wood blocks into a single dense form. The mass is glued and clamped meticulously, ensuring there are no weak points. Once cured, the stool is carved and shaped, revealing a smooth sculptural profile with a flat, practical seat. The final sanding phase transforms weight into comfort, inviting touch without softening the form too much. Used as extra seating or a small side surface, the stool feels adaptable and honest. Its simplicity highlights the joy of turning raw material into something both useful and enduring. These projects show that furniture can be more than something you use. It can be something you build with intention and live with pride. By shaping solid wood into functional forms, you create pieces that feel personal, durable, and deeply connected to your space. The real reward is seeing your home reflect your effort and creativity every day. If this inspired you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Rustic and Rooted, and share in the comments which project you'd love to build next.